Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by placing the modem where the ISP line enters your home, then power it on. Once the modem shows online, connect the router to the modem with an Ethernet cable. You log into the router's default IP from a laptop, usually 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1, and use the admin credentials printed on the device. Make sure to change the admin password immediately. This prevents unauthorized configuration. Finally, pick a clear SSID name so you can identify your. Once logged in, open the Wireless Settings tab and set a recognizable SSID. If your router has two, 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, name them distinctly so you can choose band behavior later. Choose WPA2 AES or WPA3 encryption and enter a strong passphrase, at least 12 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols, because security keeps others off your bandwidth. Enable the router's DHCP server for automatic IP assignment, and, if needed, reserve addresses for printers or NAS devices so they keep consistent. Save the configuration and reboot the router so changes apply. Then connect two devices to confirm internet access and local network visibility. Check the router's firmware section and apply any updates. Updates fix bugs and improve performance. If speed or stability is poor, change wireless channels to avoid interference, move the router, or enable Co-S for important devices. If you see no internet, power cycle the modem and router together, and plug a laptop by Ethernet to determine whether the problem is WAN or Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.